Zdravo na site! Hello everyone and welcome back to my Macedonian channel. I'm Ali and this is episode 11. Today we'll learn how to say dates in Macedonian, useful for birthdays, appointments and travel. By the end of this episode, you'll be able to say today's date, your birthday and read a written date out loud. For the simple spoken format, in Macedonian we say Denes e and then we add the day and the month afterwards. For example, Denes e 12 septembri or today is September 12th. To say my birthday is on, we use Mojot rodenden e na and then we add the day first and then the month. For example, Mojot rodenden je na 25. decembri. My birthday is on December 25th. So the common written formats in North Macedonia are as follows. So we first say the day, the month, and then the year. Or we say 12 septembri 2025 godina. Here are some useful questions so you can ask someone if you want to when you are in North Macedonia. First, кога е твојот роден ден? Which means when is your birthday? And the second, кој датум е денес? Which means what is today's date? And one mini dialogue. Здраво! Кога е твојот роден ден? Мојот роден ден е на 12 септември. А твојот? Мојот е на 3 јули. Which means, hi, when is your birthday? My birthday is on September 12th. How about yours? Mine is on July 3rd. It's your turn now. Try answering these questions. Pause the video and when you're done, resume and see the correct answers. Cultural fact. In North Macedonia, many people remember special dates through religious holidays. For example, August 2nd is Sveti Ilija or St. Elias Day, one of the biggest summer national holiday. Instead of saying August 2nd, people might say Na Sveti Ilija, meaning on St. Elias Day. Or in winter, when someone doesn't close the door, they will say, Close the door, it's not St. Peter, meaning on St. Peter holiday, which is on July 12th, which means that they should close the door because it's cold, it's not in the middle of the summer. This shows how language and culture are deeply connected in North Macedonia. Ви благодарам многу што гледавте. Thank you very much. Great job today! You can now say dates and birthdays in Macedonian. In the next episode, we'll learn how to tell the time, how to ask what time is it, and how to say the hour in Macedonian. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. До видување!